Magandang hapon po ng September 14, 2023 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng September 14, 2023 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, September 14, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for September 14, 2023, Thursday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 51 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 9 million pesos for Thursday, September 14, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for September 14, 2023, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.